What started as a simple traffic stop over an obstructed license plate quickly turned into a full-blown felony arrest involving fentanyl, oxycodone, and a dramatic standoff at a gas station. Tonight, we're breaking down how one bad decision after another took this case from a warning to a jail cell.
Can I help you?
Can you roll your window down?
No, sir. Can I help you? What did you pull me over for?
I'll explain it to you. You're going to roll your window down.
No, you're going to answer my question first.
You're going to roll your window down or I'm going to open your door.
You are not going to do that.
I am.
No, sir.
Okay. 224, supervisor en route. Can you roll the window down lower so I can explain to you why I stopped you?
You're not going to force your way into my vehicle. You're not going to attack me.
Can you roll your window down so I can explain to you what happened? No, you're going to do what I tell you. That's not how this works.
Then I'm going to pull you over into a parking space
No, you're not.
gas station, and you can tell your
No,
supervisor.
you're not going to go anywhere. Stop. Vehicle's taking off, racetrack.
All units, 33 traffic vehicles taking off from the racetrack. What are you charging?
Just resisting. She's trying to back into a parking spot.
She's still in the parking lot.
Dispatch has been updated.
She took off from me, and now she's parked in a racetrack parking spot after I told her not to. Alright, careful. Put the Terminator down behind the tire if you can. I got her semi-blocked in.
Sheriff's office, step out of the vehicle, do it now! Step out of the car!
591, where's the location of your emergency?
Yes, I'm here in Palm Coast at a gas station and just attempted to. First of all, an officer practically harassed me throughout
Okay, which gas?
Will you please tell them to stop threatening me and like making something out to be like?
Where are you at right now?
I'm being threatened and I don't feel comfortable. I'm at the racetrack on 100 at right by 95. Not
Okay.
The one towards Summer Woods, the one towards the beach.
Okay, at Old Kings?
Yes.
All right, you need to get off the phone with me and you need to speak with law enforcement, okay?
I tried to ask them why they pulled me over. He told me that he was going to force his way into my vehicle, break my window, and wouldn't answer any of my questions. I'm like shaking in fear now because I have two officers here bombarding my car. I told him that I was going to pull into a parking space and that he could call whoever he was calling. I don't feel comfortable with them shouting orders, possibly pointing guns at me. I don't know because they have all the lights pointed in my eyes.
Okay, there's a supervisor en route over, okay? Hold on.
I'm not opening my door. I'm not opening my window anymore for anybody.
Okay, all right. Like I said, a supervisor is en route over to you, okay?
All right, tell her to look to her left, tell her the supervisor's down there. What you got? Your time's running out. Roll your window down. Roll it down. All right, look, just roll your window down. We'll talk, okay? Just at work. I tell you what. Hey, hang on. Listen, just listen to me. Listen to me. I'll tell you. I don't know. I wasn't here. Okay.
Hey, all right. Who's got the shadow ball?
We're gonna break your window out. Here's the deal. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you don't want to talk, okay. Okay. Here, I get it. Listen. Unfortunately, these are your options now. These are your options now, okay? These are your options. You're under arrest and you need to get out. It's either we're going to take you out of the car or you're going to step out on your own. Take your pick. Take your pick. You have 10 seconds to decide and I'm done. Take your pick. The clock's running out. What's it going to be? You want your car smashed or are you going to get out? What's it going to be? You want your window broke or are you going to get out? Take your pick. Okay. Okay, we're moving in. We're going to break your window. We're doing it. You're under arrest.
Hands up. With your right hand, take your seatbelt off. Right hand.
She's gonna crawl off. Take off your seatbelt. Crawl over here. Do it now. Yes, crawl to us. Do it now.
Come over this way. Come over this way. Yeah, we can listen.
There's broken glass everywhere.
All right.
Step out.
No, please.
Step out.
Okay, don't be rough with me. Please stop. I haven't even done anything wrong. I haven't done anything wrong. I didn't even do anything to begin with.
Listen, that's what
Listen to what? Aggression?
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Oh my God. Please stop.
Moving for a second, please. Thank you.
You can't put these in front of me. I have
Congratulations,
severe-
Amanda. You turned us into something that really didn't need to be.
It's just gonna be it was all it was gonna be was a warning.
Great job, Amanda.
In the end, what began as a minor traffic stop over something as small as an obstructed license plate spiraled into a chain of events that uncovered a car full of narcotics. Amanda Hale's refusal to cooperate with deputies didn't just escalate the situation. It ensured that the deputies had to take stronger action, which ultimately led to her arrest and multiple serious felony charges. Looking ahead, Hale faces an uphill legal battle. The misdemeanors for resisting and marijuana possession are the least of her problems. It's the fentanyl and oxycodone charges that carry the most weight, with Florida law imposing strict penalties even for simple possession. If prosecutors decide to pursue the case aggressively, she could be looking at years in prison. On the other hand, her defense may argue that the drugs weren't hers, that the purse belonged to someone else, or attempt to negotiate a plea deal to reduce the charges. The likely outcome is that Hale will spend significant time in the court system, possibly taking a plea agreement to avoid harsher sentencing. Even if she avoids prison, she could still face probation, mandatory drug treatment, and a permanent felony record, consequences that will follow her long after this case is resolved.